Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Klasse.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and this week we will talk about implementing text controls on Desk Director forms. To implement text controls, open the Desk Director admin portal and navigate to Forms. Click on New Form and enter a name for your form. Provide a description as well, then click Save to create and begin editing your form.
To add a form control, click the Add New Question button and select Text to insert a text control into the form. In the New Question title text box, type your question. Use the Subtitle text box for any additional details about the question. You can use Markdown in the subtitle box. For example, add asterisks around words to italicize them. Click Preview to see how the subtitle will appear to users.
To make a field mandatory, switch the required toggle to the On position. Click Add New Question to add another field, select Text, and enter your question in the title box. If needed, add a subtitle for extra information.
For fields that require longer answers, enable the Long Answer toggle to increase the answer box size. Click Save to finalize and save your form. To make further edits to your form, return to the Forms section and select the form name to edit.
And that's how you implement text controls on your Desk Director's form.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms video.